Not everyone wants a tablet pretending to be their main laptop, and Microsoft finally gets it. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The new 12-inch Surface Pro is a slimmer and cheaper take on Microsoft's flagship detachable, targeting people who really want a secondary screen for streaming, browsing, and casual gaming. And for that crowd, it mostly hits the spot. The 12-inch model keeps the signature Surface Pro look. You lose some muscle with the 8-core Snapdragon X Plus chip, a lower-res display, and a 1080p webcam, but the trade-offs are only fair. On the performance side, it's good. The 12-inch Surface Pro keeps up with many thin and light laptops, and even comes close to the bigger 13-inch model in single-core tests. Graphics won't wow gamers, but that's not the point. The real star is the battery life. At over 22 hours of video playback, this thing just keeps going. Portability is another win. At 1.5 pounds as a tablet and 2.2 pounds with a keyboard, it's very comfortable to hold. The 3:2 display works beautifully in portrait mode, and the fanless design means total silence. But Microsoft still can't resist their nickel and dime mindset. There's no power adapter in the box, and the $70 charger feels like a slap. Add the $150 keyboard and the price is a whopping $1,000. Looks like performance isn't the only thing which is near the 13-inch model. Still, if you want a polished, long-lasting, and super portable Windows tablet that doesn't break the bank, the 12-inch Surface Pro hits a very sweet real spot. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Hands-on with the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 has been an eye-opening experience. This Windows-powered tablet is packed with power in a sleek, portable design. While it may look similar to its predecessors, Microsoft has introduced major improvements both in display and performance. Close-up of Microsoft Surface Pro 11. At its core, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 boasts high-end Qualcomm hardware, featuring 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. It's also part of Microsoft's new Copilot AI PC lineup, leveraging AI to enhance user experience, though some features like webcam settings might not be game changers. However, with a stunning OLED display, this could be one of the best 2-in-1 devices available right now, device in hand showing different angles. Despite retaining the anodized aluminum chassis, the Surface Pro 11 feels fantastic to hold and use. Available in 4 stylish colors: sapphire, dune, platinum, and black, it's designed with premium aesthetics in mind. The sturdy kickstand extends up to 165 degrees, offering versatility whether you're using it as a tablet, a secondary screen, or a laptop with its attachable keyboard. A Microsoft Surface Pro Flex keyboard in action. The Surface Pro Flex keyboard is impressively slim yet robust. It's available in black and bright sapphire, seamlessly complementing the screen. There's also a dedicated holster for the Surface Slim Pen 2, which charges while docked. However, removing the pen can be a bit tricky. Close-up of display, showcasing clarity and colors. One of the standout features of the Surface Pro 11 is its 13-inch OLED display. With a 2880x1920 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 3:2 aspect ratio, it's an absolute dream for media work and video playback. It's incredibly bright, reaching 535 nits, outperforming many other OLED laptops. While color accuracy is slightly below perfection, its ultra-low Delta E rating ensures true-to-life visuals. Typing demonstration. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The compact keyboard takes some getting used to, but once you adjust, typing is smooth with solid haptic feedback. The touchpad, however, is smaller than ideal, requiring multiple swipes to navigate the screen, and its sensitivity can sometimes be inconsistent. A performance benchmarks on screen. Performance-wise, the Surface Pro 11 is surprisingly powerful for a compact device. With the Snapdragon X Elite processor, Qualcomm Adreno GPU, and Hexagon NPU, it delivers strong benchmark scores. It even holds its own against Apple's M3 chip in multitasking, though it slightly trails the latest M4 processor. Graphics performance is solid, making it great for photo editing and light video work, though heavy-duty creators may need a dedicated GPU. Battery performance demonstration. Battery life is another highlight. Clocking in at 14 hours and 18 minutes, it efficiently manages power through its AI-driven NPU. While it falls short of the Surface laptop's impressive 17 hours, it still outperforms many other 2-in-1 devices, showcasing ports. Now, let's talk about ports. The Surface Pro 11 features 2 USB-C ports and a magnetic charging port, but no headphone jack, so wireless audio is a must. The placement of the ports can be a bit awkward when using the device in laptop mode, especially when connecting multiple peripherals. Webcam test footage. The 10MP rear camera and 1440p front webcam offer crisp visuals for video calls. AI-powered studio effects enhance your video feed, and additional AI features like background removal in CapCut and Paint's co-creator tool add creative possibilities. Summary screen with key points. So, should you buy the Microsoft Surface Surface Pro 11? If you're looking for a high-performance tablet that doubles as a laptop, this is the best Surface Pro yet. However, if you need a true laptop experience, some quirks like limited ports and the clip-on keyboard may be deal breakers. Alternative options. If you're considering alternatives, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch offers a phenomenal XDR Liquid Retina display and Apple M4 power, making it a solid choice for creatives. Meanwhile, the HP Spectre X36014 delivers a more conventional 2-in-1 experience with a strong GPU and longer battery life at a lower price. Ultimately, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 is a powerful, sleek, and ultra-portable device that brings Windows performance to a whole new level. Is it the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments. Microsoft's dropping its cheapest Surface PCs with AI power this month. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore the budget-friendly Copilot Plus revolution. A 13-inch Surface laptop for $899 and a 12-inch Surface Pro for $799. These AI-packed devices rival MacBooks for less. Want the details? Stay tuned. On May 6, 2025, Microsoft announced its most affordable Surface lineup yet, launching on May 20th. The 13-inch Surface laptop starts at $899 and the 12-inch Surface Pro at $799, aimed at budget-conscious users like students and young pros. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Plus chips, these Copilot Plus PCs match the performance of Apple's $999 MacBook Air with colors like Ocean, Violet, and Platinum. These are Microsoft's cheapest Copilot Plus PCs, which offer AI tools. Copilot Plus lets you tweak settings or draft documents using natural language, like asking, "Dim my screen," or "write a memo." The Snapdragon X Plus chip with a 45 TOPS NPU runs AI locally, boosting speed and privacy. High-res touchscreen displays are ideal for work or travel, rivaling iPad Air Pro models. At $799 and $899, these Surfaces undercut premium AI laptops while offering sleek designs and robust performance. The Pro's 1.5-pound frame and optional 12-inch keyboard make it a tablet-laptop hybrid. USB-C, Wi-Fi 7, and recycled aluminum builds add value. With Windows 10 support ending October 2025, these are smart, secure upgrades for budget buyers and making AI accessible to all. These Surfaces bring premium AI to budget shoppers, but are they for you? If you want MacBook-level power for less, they're a steal. Planning to pre-order to grab one or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on these budget AI PCs? That's the scoop on Microsoft's cheapest Copilot Plus PCs. If you're excited for these budget AI Surfaces, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech news.